Hi, my name is Johan Holmsten and I'm the Sales and Marketing Manager at Monitor ERP System. Guess what? We have a new service that I'm going to talk about. It's called Monitor Cloud. So what is Monitor Cloud? Well, it's a new service that we provide where we host your Monitor system in our own data center, right in here. So let me tell you why you should choose Monitor Cloud. It's easy to grow with Monitor Cloud. We will assign server capacity and performance to fit your needs. We make sure that you have all the IT infrastructure that you need to run Monitor in the best possible way. That means that you don't have to do these IT investments in-house. When connecting to our cloud service, you no longer have to think about backup of Monitor, updates, and those kind of things. We take care of that for you. In the manufacturing industry, safety is top priority. Thank you. Same goes for IT. With Monitor Cloud, we offer the most secure and safe way to manage your data. With Monitor Cloud, you get a complete solution from one supplier. We take care of hosting your Monitor system and you can focus on your core business.